Kick your coke habit. Look at the sticker.
What?
Look at this sticker.
Oh my god.
I was supposed to go in. Did you get a new helmet?
No.
Huh? I thought you got it. Looks like a new one.
I cleaned it.
Oh.
I literally wiped it off.
Oh, you fucker! You fucking turned my key. What a fucking dick!
Alright? Quickly.
No, with the pop. I seriously love ZX14s, man. Like, they're so fucking nice. Yeah, these things got some serious freaking torque to them. Like 5 grand. My bike at 10 grand is where you can really feel the power kick in. These things, it's at 5. Like, this thing actually flicks better than my R6. And surprisingly enough, it flicks just as good, if not easier, than my 250. It's like super surprising.
What a fucking weird feeling, eh?
My tire's like really low, eh? I still have to put air in it every day.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, that's why it's like hard to fucking turn.
I just want a different fucking feeling though, right?
I think, did you have it in second or what?
What do you think?
I think I started it in second. Oh, fuck.